you guys?
Good.
Good, yeah. Okay, so I dropped a link into the chat. We're going to use that right now. Actually, we're going to use it a lot. It's an interactive whiteboard. It's going to ask you to sign in. When you sign in, you have to use your school account, otherwise you can't access anything. Okay? So I think once you're on, you should see this page.
I see like a welcome to Academy page.
Okay, so you can just close out of that, and if you re-click the link in the chat, it'll bring you back to the
Okay.
Oh, is this like the place where we're gonna solve problems like in front of the whole class?
Yeah, we're gonna try anyway. We'll see. We'll see how it works. Okay. So right now, as you can see, we're just gonna start with let me know how you feel. I know a lot's going on. We're online. I don't know if I should tell you this. The school hasn't officially said it yet, but the Ukraine has. We're definitely extended at least next week again online. You've had some of you have had 2 new teachers this year. So I just want to make sure that you guys are doing okay in a kind of maybe fun way. So what you're going to do is you're just going to drop a meme of how you're currently at this very moment, how your mental and physical state is. And only thing I'm asking is that no matter what, you're honest, know that I got your back, but also make it school appropriate, because I know if I have to do it right now, I think there might be some curses in there. So just make it school appropriate. And to drop it in, you don't have to touch anything. You just have to press Control V or just paste it in there. Okay? So I'm going to give you a couple seconds to put in how you're mentally feeling. So, tired, a little worn out, a little old, feeling the burning fire is me. And yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that's me. I chatted with Alex last night. I don't know if you guys know Alex, my son, and he told me, Mom, you look terrible. Maybe for tomorrow's classes you should put makeup on. I never ever wear makeup. And he's like, Mom, you look so bad. You need to put something on. And I was like, oh my gosh. So before we get started, let me go over some of the things that I expect for you guys pretty quickly, okay? First, I hope that you don't stay muted the whole time. I hope that you guys unmute yourself for most of the class. You just leave it unmuted and you just talk like we're having a conversation. It's terrible for me to feel like I'm just talking to the computer if you guys don't respond. Cameras on at all times, of course. And if you need to like get up for a second or turn up your camera, or your little brother or sister comes in and is annoying you, or your parents and you need to turn it off, that's fine for a second. Just turn it back on. I won't get mad. And just participate, because like I said, it's really awful for me to sit here and talk to myself. So, and I'll try to make the class a little interactive so that you feel like you're not just staring at the screen. Today's goals, by the end of class, and this is based on what you guys told me, was to go back to chapter 4, which is basically starting topic 2. So by the end of class, you should be able to solve problems about linear functions, and this includes calculating midpoint, distance, gradient, y-intercepts, converting formula types, and analyzing parallel lines. Okay, the things we're going to do today is we're going to do a brain dump, an interactive lecture, hopefully it's interactive, some collaborative practice, and then a little bit of an exit questions or reflection, self-reflection. Okay. So right now, we're going to do a brain dump, and if you've never done a brain dump, basically all you do is you write down everything that you can think of for the topic that I give you. Okay, your topic is lines and linear functions. So you can write, you can draw, you can use text boxes, and I want you to sort of right now for this 90 seconds also get used to the software. So if you look over here, a text box, you can pick your color, and then you can just type whatever you want. Okay? You can also just add comments if you want. You could draw and their shapes if you want. And then, of course, you can put in formulas. So if I want to put in y equals mx plus b, I can do that, or any symbols that we have here. Okay, so I'm going to give you 90 seconds. Okay, let's see what you got. All right, so let's see what we got. Oh, there's a whole bunch I have hidden over here. Okay, so let's see what we got. Y equals mx plus b. Yeah, the classic. I also see that somebody has the point slope form in there. Excellent. X and y, dependent, independent, straight lines, no curves, reciprocal gradient, parallel lines, distance formula. X and y axis, slope of a line, m. Function notation, linear function, rise, run. Midpoint equation, nice job. Standard form, point slope form, and coordinate planes. You guys are excellent. Everything that we're going to do today. How confident, in the chat box, when I say go, I want you to tell me how confident you feel on a scale from 1 to 10 on the things that we're going to go over today. 10 being, I know this, I don't even have to be here in this class. I'm being here to be polite. And 1 being, I have to review everything. I really need review. So type in 1 to 10 how confident you are, and go.
Should we send to everyone or just to you?
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay, so based on this, I think I'm going to try to go pretty quickly through everything, okay? So it looks like most of you know it, you just need review. Sound right? Okay, you guys can all see this this screen where it says math application.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, okay. So I actually went through all of topic 2 and I wrote out like my teacher notes, and I think I wrote it in the email. It's 72 pages long, and then I have student versions for you guys that you write on. So hopefully we're okay on all of this, all right? So what are the things that we're going over? These are the 6 topics. You guys can read them. I don't want to really waste time going over them right now. Today we're going to do all of topic 2.1, which I think you guys, clearly what you just wrote, that you guys are okay with this. Okay, so let's go over the basic notation first. What is this called? This thing?
An axis?
Yeah, what's the word that IB is going to call it?
The coordinate plane.
Yeah. Okay. So coordinate plane. Okay, you can read it. I didn't write coordinate all out, you guys know. And how do we identify points? So if I have point A and point B, how do I write the points?
Using the X point and the Y point?
Yeah, so A would be x1, that's a 1 and a comma, and then y1. Okay, so then what would B be?
X2, Y2.
Yeah, perfect. x2, y2. Okay, that's simple, all right? And I know that you guys know that. Okay, let's go on. So gradient is the IB's way of saying slope. Yay! Okay, and we all know this. What is the formula for slope?
Y equals mx plus b.
No, you gave me the equation of a line, of a linear line.
Delta Y, delta X.
Yeah, delta Y, delta X. Okay, and so that would just be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? You all know that? I know you know that. So for right now, you guys are going to answer question A by yourselves because it's just a plug and play, and I think that you guys already know this. So it's just a plug and play, and you are going to drop, when I say go, you are going to drop the answer into the chat. So we all do it at the same time so that the answer is not, so we don't get the answer from somebody above us. So given 2 points, A is 1, 4, and B is 7, 12. Find the slope, midpoint, and distance. Okay, so to start, when I say go, we're just going to put the slope in. So just the slope first. Just the slope first. And give me a thumbs up when everybody has the slope. Gotcha, Reem. I gotcha, yeah. Can you see the question? Anybody need help calculating slope? Okay. Thumbs up if you have slope. Okay, so you're going to type the answer into the chat, and when I say go, press enter. Okay, and go. Perfect. Great job, great job, great job. Well done. Okay, now find the distance. Distance next. Distance is next. Are you ready? No, okay, wait. Okay, got two done. How are you guys doing? If you need help, I'll show you. Let me know. Sasha, you got it? Okay, type your answer into the chat. Ready? Go. You guys are awesome. Great job. And now finally your midpoint. Everybody good? Yep. Okay, type it in. And enter. Yeah, so it is 4, 8. It is 4, 8. Okay.
We can't simplify midpoint, right?
What?
We can't simplify midpoint.
No,
Right?
can't simplify midpoint.
I know.
Yeah. Okay, so look at the next question. It says, given 2 points, 1, 8 and 5, 8, find the slope, midpoint, and distance. I'm not going to give you much time here because you don't have to do any calculations. All right. Quickly, before you answer anything, I want you to write in the box what type of line this is. Is it, does it have a positive slope, a 0 slope, a negative slope, or undefined? Okay, type it quickly into there. 1, 2, 3, and go. Okay, so let's look at this for 1 second. I'm going to draw. Okay. Whoop, I thought I changed it to black. Okay, here's my coordinate axis. I'm going to type in 1, 8. Let's say that this is 8 here. And then I'm going to type in 5, 8. Here is my line. What type of line is this?
0.
Yeah, it's horizontal. So the slope is actually what? The slope is 0, okay? It's a horizontal line. Look here, 8, 8, horizontal. Let's go through now. What is the midpoint?
Is there any way you could find it without the formula?
No, I think this one you have to. For distance, you don't need the formula. Right? So the midpoint is what? Five minus 1 divided by 2.
The midpoint is 3 and 8. Oh, wait, no. Isn't the midpoint formula x1 plus x2?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. 3 and 8.
So that would be 3. And then we have 8 plus 8 over 2, which is just 8. So the midpoint would be 3, 8. And distance. Distance, we don't have to use the formula. Why don't we have to use the formula? Let's draw it again. So I have here and here. Can't I just subtract? I have 8 and, 5. That's a 5. And 1?
So 5 minus 1.
Yeah.
4 is that the distance.
Yeah, so that's all I have to do. So if they have the same, that's how easy the distance is. So the distance would be 4.
But so we did that just with x values. We just
the x
did.
value. Yeah. Okay, try the next one. So now you have points 1, 5 and 1, 7. Okay, again, be smart. Be smart. You're going to write the slope. Again, I don't think you need, just be smart. You're going to write the slope down in the chat. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. And make sure when you guys say it, you really have to say it like it's the worst word in the world of math. Undefined. Okay? All right. So absolutely. What would the midpoint be here? Again, you have to do the math. Do it quickly and type it into the chat when I say go. Everybody ready? Oh, Paulina, he needs a little time, I can see. Okay, ready? Put it in the chat. And go. Well done, well done. Okay, and distance. Let's do the distance. Do I need to use the formula?
I feel safer using the formula anyway, because I don't know. Because on the test, I feel like if I don't use the formula, I'm not gonna pass it.
Yeah. You can do it the great thing about math is as long as you solve it, you can take any path that you want. That's why I like math, right? There's no written instructions. You can do it one way or another way. As long as you get the right answer, it doesn't matter. I'm going to do it the easy way, and I'm just going to go 7 minus 5. So I'm going to get 2. Did you all get 2? Yeah? Okay. All right. So function notation. Yay! What is
midpoint of the line segment AB. Find the coordinate of M. Oh, Miss A, can we show you something because we're not sure?
Yeah, and I found a mistake on question 3. That's why I came in. Yeah, so are you, which question? What do you have? You have your X-intercept is wrong.
And question, and also we don't know what to do with the line. So, Miss A, how do we find the X-intercept?
So when you have an X-intercept, what does that mean?
Like it crosses the X-axis?
Yeah, so it crosses this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what would Y have to equal?
Zero.
Yeah,
Zero.
0. So you're gonna solve the equation. Let me see if I can type it in here quick.
Wait, so would it be 4?
It would be no.
So 0 equals?
Yes.
Now 0 equals 2x plus. Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So if here, my computer's not. Oh, I know. I'm trying to write on your shared screen. Yeah, I'm smart. Yeah. So you'll have 0 equals 2x plus 4. Can you see what I'm typing or not yet?
No, I can't.
Okay.
Do I need to stop share to see?
Nope. You should be able to see it now.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. But you can keep sharing. So you should get, that's a -2
Oh.
if you don't see it.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
Do you see?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now I understand.
Okay.
Miss Anne, we also have a problem with the line. We don't know what happened.
Oh, why it won't get bigger? So let me see what's going on with your line. Yeah, I thought. I don't know either. Let's see. So let's put in. So we're gonna put at -2, right? So if I. Well, I have a text block there. Let's do draw. Green, right? So we cross at -2.
wait, we did a different line.
Oh.
We did points, the 2 points.
Oh, okay. So let's see. So it says, check if points 719 and 820 lie on the line. Okay, so how would you do that? Do you know an easy way to do that?
You would go like 4 on the y-intercept. You'd have 1 point there.
Mm-hmm. The easiest way to do this is this is what I would do. I would plug in 7 for the x and 19 for the y, and if the equation equals each other, then you know it's on the line. So here, I'm gonna put it in the text box. Quick, I don't have my iPad set up. Sorry, the cord is in another room. I'll try to get that done. Oh, again, I'm trying on your shared screen. So let me quick show you how I would do it. So I would do for point A, I would do, where is it? It's 19 equals 2 times 7 plus 4. Okay. Do you guys see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so if that equals it, it should be on the line.
Okay.
Right? And if it doesn't equal it, that means that it definitely wouldn't be on the line. Okay? If the right and left side don't equal each other.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you.
And then I think Yeah, it asked you to draw the line. Oh yeah, you just did it. Yeah, perfect. Okay. And then
Well, no, they don't, Miss A, because 19 does not. It's 18, and
Yeah.
so it's not 19.
yeah, so for A it doesn't. What about point B?
Okay.
Yeah, try
It
point B.
does.
Okay.
No, yeah, it does.
And I think B does. Yeah. A doesn't, but B does, yeah. Okay, and make sure that you're like sort of showing your work. This is good enough, I think, for what you have. And I'm gonna sneak out of here because Reem keeps asking for help. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And then, but I'll come back to you, I promise.
Okay.
Hey, I'm so sorry. The other group was in the middle of getting help.
Oh, no, no problem. Miss A, we just did everything instead of except the last one because I don't know the procedure with the last one.
Okay, wait, and this is you guys. Are you talking about for question 1?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So, and it's this one. Given that B is the midpoint of AC, find the coordinate C.
Mhm.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Good.
Good, Miss A.
Yeah. I'm gonna go through and check your work right now. Okay. I know that you guys, your time is important, as I value it as much as you guys do. So you all have this document, and example 5 and 6. Okay. So all I want you to do for homework is just the examples that we didn't do. So example 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's all that you have for homework. Okay, and I will put it into Teams right now. With that, you have that, and you have to do a self-reflection, sort of. Not sort of, but you have to do a self-reflection. So I don't know if you want to write this down, but I want you to answer 2 questions. Okay? I want you to answer if you had any challenges or struggles with the lesson. And then you have to give feedback for me and you, being like, this works for me in your lesson, this did not work for me in your lesson, I can't learn like this, Miss A, your handwriting is awful, or this was okay, whatever it is, okay? But a feedback for you and for me, so it'll help me, so I know how to teach you better, okay?
And do we put that in Teams as well?
Yeah, I'll make an assignment. Okay? All right. Hey, guys, right before we go, I know that this isn't ideal, but I really want to say that I'm excited to teach you guys just for the pure fact that I'm going to get some time to get to know you. Like, just for that, because I never get to see you guys, so now at least I have some time that we can, get to know each other. Okay? So go, because class is over and I don't want to hold you up anymore. Okay?
Have a good day, Miss A.
Have a good night. Do you have a good
Thank you for the lesson, Miss A. Have a good day.